There's a new group whose members include Adobe, Twitter, and the New York Times that has released a white paper detailing an open standard for media authentication that could be built into both hardware, such as cameras and smartphones, and software, programs like Photoshop. In other words, this new body, called the Content Authenticity Initiative, wants to do battle with deepfakes, quoting Axios. The system would record a digital signature when a photo or video is taken, and then again each time it's edited in any way. Users would be able to see that record of the imagery's origin and any changes that have been made to it. The idea is a flexible standard aimed at protecting privacy and safety. Photojournalists, for instance, could tag themselves as the creator of a photo and geotag it to a specific location. The system could also simply authenticate that a photo was taken with a standard-compliant device without identifying who took it or where. The group views authenticating images from their creation to the time they're seen online as a more promising approach than trying to detect deepfakes once they're already in circulation. Even the best entry in Facebook's Deepfake Detection Challenge was only able to detect them 65% of the time per results the company announced in June. That's only slightly better than a coin toss. Sharif Hanna, TruePics Vice President of Research and Development and a co-author of the paper, told Axios, "Instead of all of us trying to get to where we can detect what's fake, we should prove what's real," end quote. TruePics, by the way, is a CAI member, which is already in the business of digital authentication.